11 General Orders. 1. To take charge of this post and all government properties in view. 2. To walk at all times in a military manner, keeping always on the alert and observing everything that takes place within sight or hearing. 3. To report all violations of orders I am instructed to enforce. 4. To repeat all calls from my post more distance from the guardhouse than my own. 5. To quit my post only when properly relieved. 6. To receive, obey, and pass on the sentinel who relieves me all orders from the commanding officer, officer of the day, and non-commissioned officer of the guard only. 7. To talk to no one except in line of duty. 8. To give the alarm in case of fire or disorder. 9. To call the commander of the relief in any case not covered by instruction. 10. To salute all officers, colors, and standard not caged. 11. To be especially watchful at night during the time of challenging and to challenge all person on or near my post and to allow no one to pass without proper authority.